Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Hi, this is Abhishek for the Lap Timer, and today we have for you the walk around and review of the highly anticipated Suzuki Gixxer SF 250. So I'll tell you all about the bike, how the bike feels while riding, and how the bike feels even while sitting on the pillion seat. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So we'll quickly start with which is probably the most important area for many people, and that is the looks of the bike. So let me state the obvious and say that this is a very handsome and well-proportioned bike with a ton of road presence thanks to its fully fair design. It comes with beautiful matte finish, grey and black color options, among which I personally like the black one better. It has a forward biased front with bright LED headlamps, which is probably the most stunning part of the bike. The fairing is very well laid out with Gixxer SF and 250 branding on the side. The tank looks the same as older Gixxers with black panel running in between until the tail of the bike culminating in a simple LED tail lamps at the back. Another part which I really liked was the dual barrel chrome and black exhaust, which looks and sounds great. On the front, we have clip-on handlebars with fairly comfortable sport touring riding position and newly designed digital speedometer with all the relevant information except engine temperature and real-time average. In summary, the bike looks handsome, has a fairly comfortable riding position, and has a nice combination of simple yet sporty design which will appeal to a much wider audience than, let's say, KTMs and R15s. Gixxer 250 SF has a fuel-injected 4-stroke single-cylinder oil-cooled engine with 26.5 PS of power and 22.6 Nm of torque. It has a 6-gear setup with smooth clutch, and thanks to the oil cooling, the bike stays cool in real-world conditions. It has a new split-seat setup which increases the sporty appeal of the bike. Also, I tested both the rider and pillion seats, and pleasant to say that both are very comfortable. It has well-designed body-colored grab rails which are very easy to hold. It has a dual-channel ABS with 300mm disc brake on the front and 220mm disc brake on the back, both of which is a by-brake setup. Be it 110mm and 150mm tubeless radial tires at front and back respectively with dual color alloys. As expected from Suzuki, the fit and finish of the bike is top-notch along with the switchgear quality. The bike has 41mm telescopic front forks with dirt protectors and monoshock at the back, which is slightly on the stiffer side. Now it's time to ride the Gixxer SF 250 and let's see how it feels. So there are two things that I want to tell you, especially if you're upgrading from a 150cc or even a 200cc bike. The first thing is that Gixxer 250 SF will not feel intimidating. You won't be scared riding the bike and you won't feel that it's getting out of control. Also, its weight is closer to 160 kg, because of which you won't feel like you are riding a very big dominating bike and the bike is still in your control. It feels especially lighter and confidence inspiring compared to, let's say, Dominar, which weighs around 180 kg, so you'll feel more weight there. But because of the lightweight, this bike feels much more accommodating. It does not scare you when you jump from 150cc bike. The linear power and the less weight makes it a very good proposition for someone looking to upgrade his bike from a lower capacity bike. The second thing I want to emphasize is that the sitting posture of the bike is that of a sport tourer. So if you're upgrading from, say, a 150cc or 200cc, it will feel slightly more sportier and more of your weight is on your wrist, which you will feel initially, but it's not uncomfortable. You'll get used to it. Also, because of the comfort, it will be a good bike for those who are looking for a bike for touring or long distances. So the initial torque and the power in mid and the top range is great. With this, you'll be able to achieve cruising speeds of around 110 km per hour and top speed upwards of 150 km per hour. The dual channel ABS setup works very well and the brakes are powerful. The bike does stop quickly when you need it to. Apart from this, the pillion seat is also very comfortable for someone who takes pillion riders. Now the question is, should you buy this bike? Before answering that, let's look at the competition. We have FZ25 in the market from Yamaha, which is priced lower than this but also has lower power and torque figures and also is not a fed bike. Based on the specs, its direct competition is CBR 250, which is 20,000 more expensive than this bike. The pricing, combined with the refinement and performance of this bike along with the looks, makes it a very good proposition for someone in the market for 250cc bike. If you liked what you saw, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any questions or comments, write them in the comment section below. This is Abhishek signing off. See you all next time. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.